Alright, I'm going to use this Altoids tin. You can see I punched a hole in it. Seems pretty airtight otherwise. I'm going to make some charcoal. Now the regular charcoal, they tell you it's charcoal, but I don't really trust it. And they add a bunch of additives. So I'm going to make charcoal out of these twigs and activate it and use it to filter air, water, whatever. So first thing I need to do is just cut these twigs right to size and make them fit in there and pack it as tightly as possible. So let's do it. Alright, so once it's packed really tight, full of twigs, you can just pretty much seal it up. Make sure it snaps. If it won't snap, you might have to take out a couple. Make it fit really tight, but not too tight. You do want it to shut. Alright. Just open it up in here. Currently have a plaster melting. And then just leave it. Alright, so at this point, so occasionally the smoke that comes out of the tin catches fire. It's a cool little fire lighter out of it. Alright, we've opened it up and we can verify that it is all charcoal. Nice. Next step up is to activate it.